Hi and welcome back. Imagine the excitement of moving into your dream home. The first thing that comes to mind is making it your own. A fresh coat of paint can instantly transform a space, but it is more than just color selection. Choosing the right paint, preparing your walls, and understanding the process can save you time, money, and headaches. Number one, choosing the right color scheme. The first question is often, what is the desired color scheme? While it might seem simple, there are countless shades to choose from. Remember, the color can significantly impact the mood of a room. Consider the sunlight exposure, furniture, and personal preferences. Test small swatches on the wall to see how the color looks throughout the day. Number two, type of paint finish. The type of paint finish can also make a big difference. Glossy finishes are ideal for areas like kitchens and bathrooms due to their durability and easy cleaning. Matte finishes, on the other hand, create a cozy atmosphere and are suitable for living rooms and bedrooms. Number three, preparing the walls. Proper wall preparation is often overlooked. Sanding, filling any holes or cracks, and applying a primer are essential for a smooth and long-lasting finish. Skipping these steps can result in uneven paint application and premature peeling. Number four, how much paint is needed. Estimating the amount of paint needed can be tricky. Accurately measuring your space and consulting with a professional painter will help you avoid overbuying or underbuying. And finally, number five, duration and drying time. Paint drying times vary depending on the type of paint, temperature, and humidity. Understanding these factors will help you plan your project accordingly. Navigating the painting process can be overwhelming. That is where VWave Enterprises comes in. We offer comprehensive construction management services, connecting you with professional painters and reliable suppliers like Crown Paints. Our goal is to make your home improvement journey seamless and stress-free.